Hello, in this video tutorial I will show you how you can create electrical plannings in Cadvilla and electrical plannings with an imported floor plan. We have already opened a project which was created with Cadvilla. As you can see here, all the rooms in the project are already labeled. If the room labeling is in your way, creating the electrical planning, you can make a right mouse click in the 2D view and select Visibility. We scroll a bit down, and here we deselect the point Room Labeling. Afterwards we confirm with OK. The room labeling is deselected. In the moment we have selected the layer Ground Floor. For this layer we have already created a floor plan, a furniture layer and a paper margin layer. For the electrical planning we will add 2 more layers to the ground floor. Therefore we make a right mouse click on Ground Floor and we select New Layer. We enter a name for the layer, for example Sockets, and we confirm with OK. Now we add 1 more layer, again right mouse click, New Layer, and we call it, for example, Lights and Switches. We confirm again with OK. The layer Lights and Switches is selected now and displayed in red color. Now we will create the first symbols for light and switches on the currently selected layer. Therefore we select the catalog, we click on 2D, and we select the folder Electricity. In the first step, we want to add some light symbols to our floor plan. To position the symbols more precise, we will use the help of guidelines. Therefore, we select 2D and Layout, 2D Guidelines, Guideline and Numeric Parallel Guideline, which we could also select with the shortcut P. We place now the first numeric parallel guideline on this line in a distance of 0 meters. We press Enter. After it we press Escape. Now we press the shortcut G for the function vertical guideline. We press the right mouse button Constructional Support and Center Point. We select the first point, that's this point, and the second point is this point. After it we press Escape. Now we select the light symbol with a left mouse click, press and hold the left mouse button and we drag it into our 2D view. The symbol is attached to our cursor and we can place it, for example, on the intersection point of the 2 guidelines with a left mouse click. After it we press Escape. Now we zoom a bit into the view and in the next step we will adjust the size of the symbol. Therefore we select it with a left mouse click, right mouse button and Properties. The Properties open and at the point Dimensions we can edit the dimension of the 2D symbol. We enter for width and height, for example 0.30 meters, and we confirm with OK. The size of the symbol has changed, we press Escape and now we press the shortcut Position 1 or Home for the function Show All. There's a very simple key combination if we want to copy and paste this already defined 2D symbol. Therefore, we select it with a left mouse click, we press the key combination Ctrl and C, and to paste it again, we press the key combination Ctrl and V. The copied symbol is now attached to our cursor and we can place it with a left mouse click. Or we press the right mouse button, select constructional support and for example point with distance from. From this point into this direction, for example in a distance of 1.5 meters. We press Escape. Now we press again the key combination Ctrl and V to add one more symbol free on the guideline. We press Escape again. And of course we could place 2D symbols completely free in our floor plan, but we recommend the help of guidelines or the constructional support. If we want to move a symbol again, we select it and we choose the function move or move with reference point. We reposition the symbol and after it we press again Escape. In the next step we want to place a light in the middle of this room. Therefore we select again one of our light symbols, copy it with the key combination Ctrl and C, press Ctrl and V to paste it, press the right mouse button constructional support and center point. This is the first point and this the second point. We press Escape and we can see that the light source was placed in the middle of the room. In the next step we will create a wall light in this area. Therefore we copy again our light symbol and we paste it in this area. We press Escape and now we select 2D and Layout, Line and Between 2 points. This is the first point and we press Ctrl for a 100% horizontal line and this is the second point. Afterwards we press Escape. To be able to select this symbol more quickly in future, we will group the single components. Therefore we select the symbol and we click on Group. We press Escape and we can now easily select the wall light again with a left mouse click. We make now a copy of the wall light with Ctrl and C and we paste it. We want to place this wall light in the upper area of this room. Therefore we have to rotate the wall light. We select the function Rotate and now we enter the base axis. For a 100% horizontal line we press Ctrl. This is the base axis. We press the left mouse button and we turn the wall light to the direction of the wall. Now we press the shortcut R for the function move with reference point. This is our reference point and we move the wall light to the wall. After it we press Escape. We press position 1 or home for the function show all and in the next step we will define the switches for our lights. Therefore we select the folder Electricity, Switches and here we select for example the switch number 3 with a left mouse click, press and hold the left mouse button and drag the switch into our 2D view. The switch symbol is now attached to our cursor. We want to place the symbol in this area. Therefore we have to zoom into the view. To zoom into the view we have to deactivate the tool options window first. Therefore we press the shortcut W. Now we zoom a bit into the view and if we activate the tool options with the shortcut W again and we turn now the mouse wheel, we can turn the 2D symbol in 15-degree steps. This angle is already okay and we place the symbol here. After it we press Escape. Now we will assign the switch to these light sources by adding numbers. Therefore we select 2D and Layout, Text and Labeling. We position the labeling for example here and we enter for the text 1. After it, we confirm with OK. We press Escape. Now we select the text. We press the shortcut R for the function move with reference point, and we move the text a little bit upwards. Now we press Ctrl and C to copy the text. We paste it with Ctrl and V, and we place the text at the light sources in this room, which are controlled by the switch. After it, we press Escape, and in the next step we will add 2 more switches for the small room at the right hand side. Therefore, we drag again a switch from our catalog into the 2D view and we place it 2 times. After it, we press Escape. Now we select again 2D and Layout, Text and Labeling. We place the labeling, for example, here. For the text we enter 2 and we confirm with OK. We press Escape. Now we zoom a bit into the view, select the text, shortcut R for move with reference point. We move the text to this position. Now we press Ctrl and C to copy the text and we paste the text at the light in the middle of the room. The same thing we do now with all the remaining lights in the room. To make a not too long video tutorial, we will make a fast forward on this step. Finally, all light sources and switches are defined. In the next step, we will change the color of the electrical planning to red. Therefore, we zoom a bit into the view, select for example this switch symbol, press the right mouse button Properties. We select Change Line Properties, click on the line, select the color. We select for example red and confirm with OK. OK and OK. We press Escape and we can see that the color of the symbol has changed. In the next step, we will transfer the color properties of this 2D symbol to all the other 2D symbols in the active layer. Therefore, we select the symbol, we make a right mouse click and we select Transfer Properties. We deselect the checkbox at all properties and we select Line Properties. We click on Next. On current layer is selected, that's correct, and we confirm with Finish. We press Escape and we can see that the line properties were successfully transferred to all the 2D symbols on the current layer. Now we do the same thing with the text and the lines. After defining the color and transferring the properties, all elements of our electrical planning get displayed in red color. In the next step, we will add some sockets to our project. Therefore, we will switch the layer. We click on Project and in the moment Lights and Switches is selected. We hold Ctrl and we select Sockets with a left mouse click. Now we select the catalog and we search for the sockets. We can find them here in this folder. We select a socket with a left mouse click. We hold the left mouse button and we drag it into our 2D view. The 2D symbol is again attached to our cursor, and in the right upper side we can see the Tool Options window. When the window is active, we can turn our 2D symbol in 15-degree steps by turning the mouse wheel. We press now the shortcut W to deactivate the Tool Options window so that we can zoom into the 2D view by using our mouse wheel. We want to place our first socket in this wall. To change the angle of the socket, we press again the shortcut W and we turn the mouse wheel to change the angle. This is the correct angle and we place the socket in the wall. After it we press Escape. The next socket we want to place in this area. Therefore we select, for example, a symbol for a double socket. We press again the left mouse button and drag the symbol into the 2D view. We change the angle again with the mouse wheel. This is the correct angle. And now we press the key combination Ctrl and W to change the reference point of the 2D symbol. This is the correct reference point and we place the 2D symbol on the wall. After it we press Escape. Now we enter one more socket with the help of guidelines, therefore we press the shortcut P for the function numeric parallel guideline. We want to place the guideline from this line into this direction in a distance of 1 meter. We press Enter. We press Escape. Now we select, for example, a triple socket, drag it into our 2D view. Now we want to zoom a bit into the view, therefore we deactivate the tool options window with the shortcut W. We zoom into the view and we change the reference point with the shortcut combination Ctrl and W. This is the correct reference point and we place the socket here. After it we press Escape. We select the socket again, press the shortcut R for move with reference point. This is the reference point. And we move the socket to the left on the guideline. We press Escape. And we zoom a bit out of the view. In the final part of this video tutorial, we will show you how you can import a floor plan and create an electrical planning on it. Therefore, we have already prepared an empty project. In the first step, we will create a new layer for the floor plan import. We make a right mouse click on ground floor, select New Layer, we enter a name, for example, Floor Plan Import, and we confirm with OK. Now we select 2D and Layout, Insert Bitmap and Rectangle. We need to select now a picture. Our picture is already here, we select it and we confirm with OK. Please note that the resolution of the picture should not be larger than your screen resolution. A too high resolution may be counterproductive. We enter now the rectangle. This is the first point and this the second point. After it we press Escape. We zoom a bit into the view and in the next step we will scale our picture to show it in true scale. Therefore we select the picture, we press the right mouse button and we select Adjust Scaling. Now we need in the imported floor plan a distance between 2 points, which length we know. In our example, this is the measurement in the upper area of the floor plan. We enter the first point, that's here. Now we press and hold Ctrl for a 100% horizontal line, and this is the second point. Now we have to enter the target length, that's 17 meters, and we confirm with OK. The imported floor plan was successfully scaled and is now displayed in true scale. We can control the measurements if we press the shortcut D for the function distance. In the next step we create a new layer for lights and switches, therefore we make a right mouse click on ground floor. We select New Layer, we enter a name, for example Lights and Switches, and we confirm with OK. On this layer we can add now again light symbols from our catalog. We select, for example, a light symbol from the folder Electricity, drag it into our 2D view and place it here. Afterwards, we press Escape. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, visit our website cadvilla.com.